and welcome back. So today I'm going to talk to you about a product that I just started using here at the salon probably like 2 weeks ago. I had never seen a product like this before, and it's from Morrocan Oil, and it's perfume. It's perfume for the hair and for the body. Now, I have used it on my customers and on myself. We've been very pleasantly surprised on how well this product has worked, and I wanted to talk about it. Spray it like 8 to 10 inches away from the hair. It has argan oil and it has vitamin E, but yeah, it's very simple to use. I'll be showing a video on how to use it, but it's very simple to use. So you spray it, and I just work it through my hair or my customer's hair, and if it's a curly hair, I spray it and I just scrunch it ever so lightly. Like I said, it's a very pleasant smell. It's a flowery smell, but it's very, very light. If you're very sensitive to smell, you know, go ahead and see if the smell is pleasant to you, but it won't be a smell that that's going to give you a headache, or that's going to be very strong. It's just very subtle. That's all. That's the most I can describe it. It's going to be a very short video because I don't have another point of comparison when it comes to another perfume for the hair that I've used before, other than our regular perfume. And I have tried that on the hair, and it didn't work very well for me, nor did the light body sprays or body splashes that I've used. Tried to use on my hair, it doesn't work. It hasn't been very successful on my hair. Any other perfume that was not for hair tend to leave my hair very hard, or it would frizz it, or it would just alter my style, right? So when I came across this product, I was very intrigued to use it because I just didn't know how it was going to leave the hair after styling it. And it's been really fun. Like, it's just a very fun product to use, something different, and that my customers have been enjoying it. Just the thought that after I flat iron it or style it any way, shape, or form that I mentioned flat iron, I spray the hair, and it just smells so nice, and it doesn't overpower your perfume. It just adds a nice fresh scent to it. It just leaves the hair the way that you styled it. If it's flat iron, or if you curl it, or if, you know, soft, shine, any way that you went ahead and styled your hair, it doesn't do anything to it to affect your style whatsoever. So I would suggest for you as a stylist to go ahead and give it a try. You will like it. You'll be very surprised on how nice this perfume is. And if you're not a hairstylist, I think you're gonna like it too. So I hope that you liked this video. If you know of other hair perfumes that you've come across, please let me know. I would like to try other ones. This is the only one that I've come across, and I really liked it. So if you know of any other, let me know how to make it at home that you liked. Let me know so I can go ahead and try it and see if my customers will try it. So I hope that you liked this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember that healthy hair is shiny hair. Ciao.